One question which came up through our dialogue was, why should we have simulation during the concept phase? Ideally, I think before the concept phase starts, the engineers like the engineer who is responsible from the mechanical side, from the electronic side, the engineer who is responsible for the marketing, engineer who is responsible for cost estimates, they should sit together and should define the requirements. And then as soon as these requirements are defined, we should go for a first concept and simulate and have a look what the consequences are going to be. In our case, from a thermal perspective, to understand which components should be placed where and what are the thermal consequences from that perspective, in order to avoid basic conceptual errors and failures right at the beginning, and not work through all the phases and find out what the consequences are at a much later stage, for example in the verification phase, because we know the cost in order to fix these errors are going to increase in an exponential way, by factors of magnitude, from one phase to the other, times 10, times 100, times 1,000. So I think as earlier we do the simulation, as high as the probability that we are going to avoid principal errors, in the concept. So I think it's necessary to give such tools, which allow, bottom up, even if not all the detailed geometry is available, and Flowtherm XT also allows, to do bottom-up design of geometry. It allows to leverage on the library parts which are provided within Flowtherm XT to build such models very early in the conceptual phase.